Hey.
Hello.
Jason has always got a smile on his face and nothing is ever too much trouble for him. On one particular day, I did arrive with my car absolutely full and I was feeling quite overwhelmed because I knew that there would be a lot of trips in and out to unpack the car, and I had a busy day. I started to unload and then I look up and all of a sudden there's Jason with this big flatbed trolley saying, "No, just come to help you out, sister."
I can't sit there and watch someone struggle, and I thought I'd go and help. Like, it's just the right thing to do.
So before I know it, he's unloading everything out of the car. He's like, "Oh yeah, not too much trouble, sister, we can do this." And it was done.
With Jason, that's just an everyday thing. He treats everyone with respect and dignity. His kindness is
It's infectious.
it is definitely infectious.
He'll drop anything for anybody at any time. I just love him. He's great, isn't he?
Yeah.
He's just great.
Yeah.
His wife's lucky to have him, isn't she?
I want for them to know that they're respected and that someone is thinking they just haven't forgotten about them. I just want to make their day a bit better.
If you do come in feeling bad, you only have to look at him and he just says the right thing, doesn't he?
He goes, "What's wrong? What's happened?"
Yeah, what's wrong?
And he's usually got a joke, he's got something smart to say, and you just can't help but laugh. Your day's brighter.
Thanks for your help.
The acts that Jason does have a really big impact on everybody. They do sit with you, like you don't forget things like that. That positive influence has just rippled through everybody here.
But it just boosts you because you go, wow, this is the team that I work with, and he is our manager, which makes our team so awesome.